how great it is to conduct experiments. I have a Hooba Booba. I love everything pink. And what about you?
I have a black Oreo, a noble color.
The best one is, of course, blue, M&M's color. Let's start. Wow, it worked! And mine too. Whoa, what is this? Oh no, what is happening? You want more experience? Well, this is a pink, black, and blue food challenge for MultiDO. Whoa, what a beautiful cake.
I agree.
How hungry I am.
And me. What is that smell? Stink.
This is terrible.
I'm sorry, but you have to start.
What? Start by myself? No way. No, you're the one to start. All right, if you insist, so be it. Let's try. It's kind of cute. I think I'll cut myself a piece. Oh no, it stinks so much. But I have to eat it. But it's unbearable. I hope I don't throw up. Ew, so much fish. And onions, what a nightmare.
Oh no, Jess, are you okay? I'll save you. Goodbye, Stinky. You're free. Well done.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Now I can taste my cake too. It looks delicious. I'll start with the bowls. Ooh, so cute. And tastes so well. Ooh, there's more chocolates here. I didn't even notice them right away. Amazing! They're so sweet. Oh, now I get it. Just amazing. Okay, well, it's time to try the cake itself. It should be even tastier. I hope I'm right. That's amazing! Oh, come here, my goodie.
Oops.
Hey! Who took the last piece?
Hi, it's not me. I think you're just dreaming.
Dreaming? Well, catch it now.
Oh, I got it. Such a tasty balloon.
Oh, you little thief. Oh, so be it. Eat it. That was awesome.
Are you done? Finally, my hour has come. Hello, my friend. Oh, I want these sticks. And strawberries. Oh, yes. That's great. And what if I do it like this? I'll get some cream. Fantastic! I'm happy. It's good that I still have a whole cake. I will eat a little so it lasts longer. Delicious. Although, well, let's eat it all. I can't resist. Let's trim the circle from all the sides. Just a little more. Almost done. Ah, be careful. We're not alone here. Perfect. It's divine. What are you doing?
Are you still asking? Really?
Oops, I did it accidentally. Do you want to try it? Well, pink cupcakes, how cute they are. I love you.
And I have a black cocktail with cookies and chocolate. Wow.
You haven't seen what I have yet. It's gingerbread huggy wuggy.
Whoa, that's really cool.
Hi, how are you? Let's be friends. Well, fine. Let's try it now. So sweet. I want you. how lucky I am. I can't tear myself away. Delicious. The tastiest gingerbread cookie I've ever tasted. Look at me, guys. It's funny but weird. Delight. Well, I can't stop looking at my cupcakes, but I want to try them even more. They smell amazing. Whoa, they're so soft. I'll try a chocolate bar now. Yes. Ooh, the filling too?
Oh, I want a bite too. What is she doing?
Let's share with friends. Yeah, let's do it. Hi, do you want to eat me?
Of course.
Me too! Ah! You bit my finger! Let me go! How delicious, amazing cupcake! Oops, sorry. Oh, it hurts actually. I have one cupcake left, and I'll eat it myself.
Well, now it's my turn. This cocktail looks stunning. Ooh, I got something. Look, now I'm going to scare you. Boo! Okay, fine, it's just hilarious. Okay, so good. But it's gonna be even tastier like that. So cool. And where's, what? I don't understand. What have you done? Give it to me, Jess.
No, please, just a little bit. Oh no! Are you serious?
It's her!
No, it's him! Well… Pink gum for Chupa Chups? Cool. And I have a blue one. Cool.
Booba Booba Black? What a gift! Great round. Ladies, do you mind if I start? Oh yeah, this is what I've been waiting for a long time. Amazing! I'll take it whole. It's much tastier that way.
Hey, Sam, be careful. Well, that's fine. I have an idea. Surprise!
What was that? My face! It's all covered in gum!
Haha, it was ridiculous and funny. But now, it's my turn. What a fragrance! Pink gum is still cooler than black. So airy. Much sweeter. Look, I can do a balloon too. Well, that's fine.
No, I'm a great sorcerer. Okay.
And what about this? Maybe you'll stop already. I am a clown.
That's funny, actually.
What, only sad clown made you laugh? Well, that's fine. I'm gonna finish it. Now I'm gonna have a huge balloon. Oops. No. But stop laughing at me. Well, it happens. Finally, it's my turn. Hello, blue gum. Ooh, is it sand? So unexpected. Oops, it's sour. I love sour. The more the better. Ooh. Well, it happens. Since everyone is blowing up gum, I want it too. Whoa, that's great. And there is still sand left. I'll eat everything at once. Oh no! My sand! The main thing is not to sneeze again. I think it's… Oh, no, no, no!
Great balls, Jazz.
Wow! Pink popcorn. So good. And I have blue chips.
It's scary to think what's inside.
Ew.
I'll leave it for now.
And I can't wait to start. I've always wanted this. Oh, such a terrible package. Open up! Catching it! Ah! Huh, I didn't catch it. Well, okay. More chips. Huh. Awesome. I'm so happy with it. It's even tastier than normal chips. Okay, we need to collect them in a pile. That's better. No matter what anyone says, blue food is the best. Try it yourself. Oops. Well, that's cool. Yeah, it seems that everyone got carried away. Huh, stop laughing at me. Oops. Is it blue too? Well, stop it.
Oh, don't be offended, Jess.
Yeah, just look at how beautiful my popcorn is. It's so pink, which means it's delicious. There are no words. I just want to eat everything at once. It's crazy. Perfect. Amazing. It's good that there's still a whole bunch of it.
Sophie?
Did you have to distract me?
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I won't eat everything. At least let me finish this. Any more? Oh yeah, here. It's done. Is it done? Aw.
I hope it's not so terrible. I have to be brave. Black Skittles promises a quick death, they say. But I have to try. Is that enough? So far, it actually seems not so bad, even tolerable. Oh no. I'm done! Oh my god, I'm burning! Fire!
Oh, what a flame. Although I have an idea. Do you understand what I mean? It's some of the popcorns there, and I'm gonna make them. Huh, didn't I come with a cool idea?
I caught my breath.
And I now have ready-made popcorn. Not bad. Thanks, Sam.
Yeah, it was strong.
There are always a lot of unexpected things happening on MultiDO, including behind the scenes. We hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!